When you build, expand, or reassess your data center, the infrastructure you choose can make your job easier. The best solutions help you improve energy efficiency, increase uptime, simplify management, and enhance security. With Tripp.Lite, you get everything you need to support your data center. House your equipment with premium rack enclosures. Power your servers with rack PDUs and transfer switches. Protect your data and servers with highly efficient UPS systems. Cool your equipment with close-coupled cooling units. Manage it all with console servers and KVM switches and connect it with copper and fiber network cables. Choosing Tripp.Lite gives you award-winning solutions from a trusted manufacturer with single-source convenience for service and support. In fact, Tripp.Lite has been recognized in the CRN Data Center 100 as one of the top infrastructure providers in the industry. With over 3,500 products in stock, everything you need is ready to ship. And products like cable and racks can be customized quickly for your application. As you add to or change your data center infrastructure, make your job easier.